Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from today's title, we are doing my 5-minute no makeup look. This is gonna be a really quick makeup tutorial. I'm about to head to the gym, so figured I would show you guys my makeup tutorial because it's super quick and easy. So first things first, you do need your skincare and everything on. So make sure you wash your face, apply your skincare, and you're ready to go. Starting off with my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with the Brow Wiz in Chocolate by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just gonna lightly fill it in areas that I find a little sparse in my eyebrows. Not too much product, to be honest. Honestly, it's mainly at the end that I really focus on. And then just lightly in the front area as well. And I always make sure to brush it out as I'm doing it, so it looks as natural as possible. Okay, I feel like that looks good enough. I like to just make it a little bit more fuller and then just a little bit more defined at the front. So that is all we're doing for our eyebrows. Now, the next thing I like to do is make sure I get rid of any of my acne marks. As you can see, I have some redness from breakouts. So I usually get a lot of my discoloration at the bottom because I have hormonal acne. So I like to really focus on covering those areas up. I'm gonna take the Kosas Revealer Concealer in 3.2. This is a good skin tone color for me. And I like to put it on the areas that I need to cover up, where I have a lot of redness. Like I said, it's mainly on the bottom portion of my face, so that's where we're focusing it on. And then I'm gonna blend it out with the Sephora number 71 brush and just dab it into the skin. I like to really tap the product into the skin. I just love this concealer because it's so lightweight and creamy. Now that we blended those areas, I'm actually gonna go in with the same concealer under my eye and then the corner of my eye as well. Not too much product. And a little bit of, which one was it? 3.6. It's the same exact concealer, just a little bit orangier. I do have some discoloration in the corner of my eye right here, so I like to do that there. And I'm also gonna go in with some contour. So while this is kind of like setting in and getting a little tacky, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup by Mario in medium. And I'm gonna take a brush with this one. I don't like to add it on my skin because I want it to be super natural. And I'm just gonna go around the perimeter of my face. And I'm just gonna add the product on my forehead, warming up the skin. Like so. Really keeping it higher on my face. And a tiny bit of concealer under the contour. And now I'm gonna go in with this concealer brush by Haus Labs and blend out my under eye. Now with the Sephora brush, I'm bringing this color down and blending it in this little crease area here because I do always find that I get this dark shadow, and this just really helps with that on top of the concealer. So I'm kind of like meshing that with the concealer. This really opens my eyes up, especially in the morning. Before I go ahead and blend out the concealer on the bottom, I am gonna go in with some cream blush. This is the Patrick Ta's She's That Girl. It's this color here. And this is also the Patrick Ta brush. This is the Blush Duo brush, I guess. I'm gonna take this side here and go in with the cream blush. And just add that to our cheeks. I like to bring it a little higher because I feel like it just really lifts my face. Just taking this Morphe brush and I'm going to blend out the concealer here just to really clean up. It's gonna look a little sharp at first, but this is what really helps my face look more lifted. Now I'm gonna go back in with the contouring brush and I'm just gonna blend everything together so that the line doesn't look as harsh and the blush, the concealer, and everything mesh really nicely together. I'm gonna take a little bit of product and go under my nose and on the sides. And lastly, I'm going in with the cream brush again, and I'm just gonna go over the nose a little bit because I do want to have some blush on there as well, because I feel like it makes your makeup look very, very natural and sun-kissed type of vibe. So the face is all done. I'm just gonna quickly set it with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake, and I love to just take a powder puff, add some product on there, and go in the back of my hand and dab it off, and just lightly go under my eye and really just press the product in. And then the remainder of the product, I am gonna just go in the T-zone and just really set the rest of my makeup. Now I'm curling my lashes. And I'm going in with the Lash Latex by YSL. I love this mascara, you guys. It is so good. I feel like it coats the lashes really well and makes them look like individual lashes. It just adds a nice layer of mascara. Now, quick tip, if you do end up getting mascara on your eyelid, you want to just wait till it dries and just take an eyebrow spoolie and just rub it off, and it'll come off once it's dried. So just let it dry, don't panic. But now we're ready for lips. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics Line Loud Lip Liner in No Equivalent, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. This is super creamy, so I actually like to go in with my fingers and blend it. And then on top, I'm going in with Dull Warm Nude by Makeup Revolution, and this is the Lip Plumping Lip Gloss. Now the last step, because we're all done our powder and everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and set the brows, and I'm all done my makeup. And that is my really simple no makeup look. Of course, the loudest thing on our face is my lips, which I find is like something that you really can't control when you're putting on lip liner and lip gloss. So obviously it looks like I'm wearing makeup. So it's not really a no makeup look, but it's pretty close. It's simple. This is my go-to for the gym. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this little mess we got going on. I have to get ready for the gym, and I just got in some new gym pieces that I want to share in my next vlog. Next vlog, you guys are going to see everything that's been going on, since you guys can probably notice the background is a little bit different. I have a home vlog coming out for you guys this Sunday, so definitely check it out. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you do want to see any more videos from me, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.